Studying in Germany. Studying in Germany. Studying in Germany. Welcome to Germany, where efficiency meets education and punctuality is practically a national sport. We're generally delighted to see so many international students deciding to study here. Your presence not only brightens our campuses, but also adds a splash of global flavor to our bratwurst and beer. At the Pattern Recognition Lab of Friedrich-Alexander-Universität Erlangen-Nürnberg, we've been waving the international flag for years. After all, who doesn't love a good mix of accents while discussing machine learning algorithms? In Germany, we know that the language of science is not English, but broken English. In our lab and many other German institutions, we've embraced the English language. This isn't just because we like the challenge of pronouncing TH sounds. No, it's because fields like pattern recognition, machine learning, and medical engineering are global by nature. So whether you're from Mumbai or Melbourne, you can dive straight into our studies without the need of a crash course in German first. FAU, for example, offers master's programs in AI, data science, medical engineering, entirely in English. So rest easy knowing you won't need to ask for directions to the library in German. But here's where the plot thickens, folks. While we've rolled out the red carpet for English speakers, the German academic system has its quirks. For starters, we take the concept of independent study to a whole new level. Think of it as an academic tree climbing exercise without harness. You're expected to be self-sufficient, motivated, and able to navigate your learning journey with minimal hand-holding. It's less about spoon-feeding and more about throwing you into the deep end of the pool. But you won't have to worry. You'll at least learn to swim or dog paddle in no time. When it comes to assessments, forget regular pop quizzes and constant assignment. Here, we prefer the high stakes of drama of final exams and major projects. It's like waiting until the end of the movie to find out if the hero survives. This means you'll need to keep your wits about you and your study schedule on point throughout the semester. Procrastinators, beware. Cramming the night just before just won't cut it. So what's the secret to thriving in a German master's program? Embrace the independence, stay on top of your game, and develop a healthy appreciation for structure and punctuality. By the end of it, not only you will have a top-notch education, but you'll also be well-versed in the art of balancing precision with persistence. Welcome to Germany, where your academic adventure awaits. And yes, we're always on time. Getting admitted to German universities is relatively easy. Unlike the US, where the hard part is getting accepted and most students who manage to go there go past their master's program, Germany has a different approach. Here, getting in is just the beginning. The real challenge comes with the extensive exams during the master's program. It's not uncommon for 30% of the students to fail these tests. Actually, these exams are not just about passing. You actually want to have a good or even excellent grade, as we'll see later. It's not that the exams are impossibly difficult, but Germany strongly believes in academic freedom. You have the liberty to go out to party during the semester. Participation in lectures, seminars, exercises is mostly neither controlled nor enforced. Feel like skipping a class to binge watch a series? No one's gonna stop you, but don't be fooled by this freedom. It comes with responsibility. So you're expected to learn the course content on your own time. It doesn't matter if you learn from attending lectures, watching videos, or reading textbooks. No one will check your progress until you sit the exam. Think of it as a game where the only rule is that there are no rules, but at the end there is a boss level you need to beat. The German system can be a shock for many international students. accustomed to more structured environments where regular attendance and participation are mandatory, they might find the German approach both liberating and daunting. It's like being given the keys to a new car, but realizing no one taught you how to drive stick on the Autobahn without speed limit. The key is to stay disciplined and proactive about your studies. Use your freedom wisely, balance your time, and make sure you're prepared when exam time rolls around. Remember, in Germany, it's not about how you learn, but how well you've learned when it counts. And yes, we will not be impressed by how many parties you attended, unless of course you can prove the impact of social interactions on cognitive performance in exams by passing them with excellent grades. In Germany, academic integrity is taken very seriously, and cheating in exams is one of the fast ways to ensure you're shown the door. Imagine this, you're sitting in a large lecture hall, your palms sweaty, trying to sneak a peek at your neighbor's answers. Suddenly the professor, with precision of a Swiss watchmaker and the sternness of a Berlin traffic warden, calls you out. The penalty? Up to immediate expulsion and a one-way ticket back home. No appeals, no second chances. Also, most visas invalidate immediately. It's as if you tried to smuggle sauerkraut armed with bacon into a vegan festival. Absolutely verboten. And then there is the infamous copy pasta in Thesis work. Plagiarism is not just frowned upon, it's treated as academic high treason. You may have heard of a few illustrious cases where German politicians and public figures lost everything due to the skeletons in their academic closet. Take Karl Theodor zu Guttenberg, the former defense minister, who had to resign after it was discovered that his doctoral thesis was peppered with plagiarized passages. Or Annette Schaman, the former Minister of Education, who faced a similar fate years after she had proudly displayed her title. These cases are stark reminders that in Germany the truth eventually surfaces, much like that last piece of bratwurst with ketchup stains you thought you've hidden in your fridge. The moral of the story: do your own work, maintain integrity, and you'll avoid becoming a cautionary tale for future generations of students. After all, a thesis should be a labor of love, not a ticking time bomb waiting to blow up your career many years down the line. German professors will not negotiate grades, nor they can be pressured into making exams easier. Here in Germany, professors enjoy the same academic freedom as students, and they wield it with the precision of a Swiss watchmaker. If you think you can charm your way into a better grade, think again. They apply excessive German scrutiny when grading exams and theses, and their red pen is as merciless as a US immigration officer. Deadlines are deadlines, and there's no bending the rules. If you're late, you're out of luck.
Conan, the librarian.
I'm sorry, these books are a little overdue.
You might wonder how to keep track of all these dates and requirements. Well, that's entirely up to you. In Germany, students are expected to be as punctual as Deutsche Bahn timetable, on a good day of course. If you miss a deadline, don't expect any sympathy. It's a bit like playing a board game where the rules are written in invisible ink. You have to figure out them on your own. Studying the introductory material is intensively crucial. All the information you need is there, hidden like Easter eggs in a German garden. Can't find your classroom? Missed the deadline? Failed to follow the rules? That's on you! The university assumes you're capable of reading, understanding, and applying the guidelines provided. If you can't manage that, well, perhaps you should consider a different hobby. German academia doesn't suffer fools lightly, but if you can navigate the maze, you'll come out on the other side sharpened and ready for anything the world just throws at you. Just don't expect anyone to hold your hand along the way. These stringent expectations and rigorous academic standards contribute to the excellent reputation of German researchers who are renowned for their ability to solve problems independently. This brings us to the final step in your studies, the thesis. Your thesis will be the ultimate test of your ability to work independently and demonstrate that you can handle complex tasks on your own. A true self-made scholar. This journey starts with finding a topic that is not only interesting for you, but also aligns with your academic strengths. It's wise to choose topics you're passionate about and to approach professors with whom you have achieved good grades. Simply passing an exam won't impress anyone here. Professors are looking to work with students who demonstrate excellence, and with mediocre grades, you'll find few doors open. If you apply for a thesis under my supervision and only have 4.0s, the bare minimum for passing, don't expect much enthusiasm. Nobody wants to work with bare minimum people. Aim higher. Your grades will play a crucial role not only in securing a thesis advisor, but also in your future career or academic endeavors. If you graduate with a 4.0 master's degree, don't hold your breath waiting for offers from top German companies like Siemens, Audi, BMW, or Mercedes. For those aiming at a PhD, a grade of at least 2.0 is typically necessary. Anything lower and admission is unlikely. A PhD demands even more independent hard work. It's essential to learn self-responsibility before embarking on this path. After graduation, you will have excellent academic opportunities. German postdoctoral fellows enjoy an outstanding reputation worldwide, often considered as capable as assistant professors from other countries. This high regard makes German postdocs highly attractive to prestigious institutions like Stanford, Harvard, and MIT. Hard work will make you successful in the German academic system. In conclusion, the German academic system's rigor and emphasis on independence prepare students exceptionally well for the challenges of research and personal life. Embrace these demands, aim for excellence, and you'll find yourself well equipped for a successful future. German education is exceptionally good, but the attitude here is very different. If you choose to study in Germany, it's crucial to engage actively, do your homework, attend the lectures, and ask questions, even if nobody forces you to. Consider it a bit like a gym membership. You get out of it what you put in. Except of your biceps, you're building brain power. So welcome to Germany. Embrace the freedom, but remember that it comes with responsibility. Dive into your studies with curiosity and determination, and you'll not only survive, but thrive in this rigorous academic environment. Remember, no one will hold your hand here except maybe to shake it when you finally graduate. Your journey here will shape you into an independent, highly competent professional, ready to tackle the challenges of the global stage. And who knows, you might even master the fine art of German punctuality.